Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm gonna share with you two remedies. Two remedies. Um okay. One is scrub, second is toner, and the main ingredient of both these products is potato, aloo. Okay, to make a scrub using potato juice and a toner again using potato juice. Why potato? Because potato has many properties that is beneficial for our skin. Thanks to these two remedies that I'm using since 7 days, and now at least my acnes are gone. They are stopped. They are not coming anymore. Only the scars are left. So I'm going to continue with the same remedy, and that's why I thought to share with you these two things. If you are also suffering with severe acne just like me, all thanks to summer season, because of heat and humidity, I'm suffering these acne problem. Let's begin with the video and see how to prepare these two things. I mean scrub and toner. Okay, then we will continue how to use it, and I will show you, demonstrate you how to apply it, how to massage it, and all other things. Blah blah blah. Okay, so let's get started with the video. So I'm starting with taking two potatoes. I have already washed them and now I'm gonna peel them off like so. Next I'm gonna grate them finely and squeeze out the juice using a strainer, or you can use a napkin or handkerchief to squeeze out the juice. After squeezing out the juice, to make my scrub I'm going to use coarsely ground rice flour, which I made in my last video, and I will leave the link in the description box that how to make coarse rice flour at home. So I'm gonna mix that, and next I'm going to add some honey will help your skin to moisturize it. Although your skin is oily and acne prone, still your skin need moisturization. So to moisturize your skin and to make rice stick on your skin, honey is important, so that's why I'm using it. Okay, if you have dry skin then you can adjust the honey quantity, but my skin is oily and acne prone, so I'm gonna use this in less quantity. Potato juice is very helpful in removing the dark spots and acne scars, as it has bleaching property same as lemon juice. And other thing is rice. Why I use rice? Because rice has antioxidant properties which help our skin to get instant whitening glow, and it makes our skin clear and remove blackheads too. And honey is to moisturize my skin. So all three ingredients are very helpful for our skin. I'm also adding some oats powder just to absorb the oil that I usually have on my face, because I have oily skin, and using oats is totally optional. If your skin does not produce so much oil, and if you have a dry skin, sensitive skin, or any kind of skin, if you don't need, you don't have to use oats powder. I personally use is just to remove the oil. Okay, so now moving towards our potato toner remedy. Let's keep it aside. By the time oats will absorb the extra potato water, and this pack will become thick after 5 to 10 minutes. So my toner, I'm taking the leftover potato juice, and in that I'm going to mix lemon juice in 1:1 ratio. And if you have dry skin, then add vitamin E capsule, as I am having, but I'm not adding because my skin is not dry. I'm going to add coconut oil. Coconut oil is very helpful in removing all kinds of dark spots and darkness. That's why I'm using it. But if you have acne problem, then do not use coconut oil or any kind of oil. If you have only leftover scars, then you can add these oils. Okay, now apply this mixture on your face and leave it for 30 minutes, or you can leave it for overnight too, and then wash off. Repeat this twice a day. So moving towards how to use it, let's begin. Before starting, wash your face with your regular face wash, then apply this scrub, massage it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then leave this on your skin for another 10 to 15 minutes. In this time, honey will moisturize the skin and potato juice will get absorbed into the skin, and thus help your skin to remove the dark circles and other problems that it can help with. Okay, so this is how I do scrubbing. Now coming to toner, all you have to do is to apply toner after washing your scrub. You can store this toner into your refrigerator at least for 7 days, and you can apply this twice a day, and you can leave it for overnight also. Coconut oil that I used in toner will help your skin to not look sticky and feel sticky. Otherwise, using lemon juice solely individually will make your skin feel sticky, and personally I don't like that sticky feeling. But if you like, you can carry on without adding coconut oil. So one more funda behind using coconut oil is this, that I don't want sticky look or stickiness on my face. If you also apply toner just like me using cotton ball, then do not dip the same cotton ball into your toner again, otherwise it will transfer the bacteria into toner. When you use this toner for the first time, you will feel bit irritation and burning sensation, but that is totally okay. If your skin is acne prone and you popped it too just like me, then it is totally normal. So do not worry about the burning sensation and irritation. It is just for a minute. The best part of this toner is it get absorbed into the skin and won't feel heavy on your skin, which I like the most. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and find it helpful. If you do so, then come back to my channel and stay connected to me. So that is all, and stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. I will be back in my next video. Till the next time, take care, have a very nice day, bye.